all-time record highs for January, Nadine, in excess of 90, 100 kilometers per hour, accompanied by some snow, creating blizzard conditions.
Yes, certainly, Chris, and we've got those blizzard conditions again for today across Saskatchewan and into eastern sections of Manitoba. So it's going to be quite the stormy day for us, creating blowing snow and reduced visibility, Chris, across the area.
Well, the wind is still strong, but it's a lot of blowing snow. But everything that I look after is cleared off. And looks good, but I want to show you guys about the blowing snow. How it's stuck to the building. See that? And then the back is really cool looking. See that? Yeah, that's how much snow we got. And the wind, you can probably hear, is quite strong. Still, it's supposed to lighten up this evening. Oh, on to our next place. Look at that. Oh, and now it's falling off. I think that's so different. I can't remember last time something like this has ever happened. Okay, on to our next stop.